If Ctrl plus Z deleted your files or folder, don't panic. This usually happens when you accidentally press undo inside a folder and Windows reverses a move or delete action. The good news is that in many cases your data is still recoverable. Let's go step by step. First, immediately press Ctrl plus Y on your keyboard. Ctrl plus Y is the redo command, which reverses the undo action. If you just press Ctrl plus Z and haven't restarted your computer or performed too many other actions, this can instantly bring your deleted file or folder back. This is the fastest and easiest fix, so try this first. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check the recycle bin. Sometimes, Ctrl plus Z may trigger a deletion or undo a move that results in the file being sent there. Open the recycle bin on your desktop and carefully look for your missing file or folder. If you find it, simply right-click on it and select Restore. The file will return to its original location. If the file is not in the recycle bin, you can try using System Restore on Windows or Time Machine on Mac. This method can help if the folder structure or system state was affected. Keep in mind that this only works if system restoration was previously enabled on your system. If none of these methods work, your last and most powerful option is to use professional data recovery software, such as Stellar Data Recovery. Install the software, select the drive where the file was originally stored, and run a deep scan. Once the scan is complete, preview the recoverable files and restore them to a different drive to avoid overwriting data. The sooner you run the scan, the higher your chances of successful recovery. Link to the software is in the description, so do check it out. So if Ctrl plus Z deleted your files, remember, try Ctrl plus Y first, check the recycle bin, use System Restore if available, and finally rely on trusted data recovery software. Acting quickly is the key to getting your files back. Like the video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and I'll see you in the next one.